Let's begin. So for this week, I had to merge all my files into the tank demo, as well as make it so that the mouse, or the player tank barrel will track the mouse, and some UI components to help showcase that the UI can be implemented outside the old demo I was using. So as you can see here, as the tank moves around, wherever the mouse is, the barrel will update accordingly. Then when I left click, it will shoot in whatever direction. Lastly, if I were to quickly go over to here, the game over state has two different buttons on it, one to retry and one to return to the main menu. Clicking the retry takes us back to the first level, and the main menu button takes us back to the main menu where we can press start to retry when we are ready. Finally, the win scene has only one button on it, and this button will take us back to the main menu so we can return here and then start again. For the coding this week, all three canvases all three scenes have a canvas associated with them for the win, title, and game over scene. These have either a start game button to start the levels or a return to title button to return us to the title scene. For the tank barrel, every frame we get the X and Y position of the mouse, clamp the Y value so that the tank barrel can't clip into the tank, and then we convert the point that we get from the mouse into 3D space using a camera that is aligned with the barrel. So this is not the camera that is used by the player to see the world. This is a camera that is aligned with the tank so that the rotate orient gets a more proper representation of how the barrel should rotate where the mouse is. For the actual math, we end up moving the y values to 0, 0s in the upper left. That's how OpenGL functions. I usually move my point down to lower left, so this just resets where 0, 0 is. After that, we get the near-and-far point using the near-and-far clips with OpenGL. We multiply the screen to NDC matrix with the 2 points, get the inverse projection, multiply the 2 points by that, divide each point by their associated W to get it out of homogeneous space, and then get the view to world matrix and multiply the points by that. That gets our near point and far point. Once we have that, we can create a vector with the two of them. That is going to be our forward in the rotate orient, and then the up is whatever the tank's current up is. After that, we will just recompute the world matrix for the tank barrel and apply it and then once all of that's sent, then we can update the camera to be relative to wherever the tank's position is. That's it for the showcase. For the personal project, I am up to pace with everything still. Um, so for the tank demo, all that's left now is the particle system for the next 2 weeks, just to get the effects in that we talked about this week, so that we can have an explosion effect when tanks get hit, as well as a bullet trail for when bullets are fired. We also have for the personal document, all that's left for this is a options menu. So just something that will let the sound settings that the user defines in the game just have something that will let them be consistent throughout the gameplay experience. And that's it.